ng soup. Ayan siya guys. Sabon po yan. Ito naman, kalachuchi. Kalachuchi soup. That is lemon. Very nice lemon. Then, ito naman is durian. Durian. Soup. Ito naman is rose flavor. Ito naman is mix. Meron siyang green apple, meron siyang lemon, meron siyang melon at banana. Ito naman is mangga. Apple din yata itong isa. Ay, hindi apple kasi may hindi ko alam kung anong fruits yan. Ito mangga. Tapos, ito is orange. Ayan siya guys. Kasama doon. Ito is pineapple at saka watermelon. Ayan po guys. Ano talaga yung then ito orange noodle soup. Ay! Ayan. Orange din. Then dito is avocado and pineapple. Ayan. Ayan ang nakalagay. Avocado soup and pineapple soup. Diba? Ito yung green big apple daw. Nakalagay. Pag titignan mo parang fruits na fruits siya na yun pala is sabon. Diba? Tapos ito yung chili naman. Favorite ko yung chili. Tapos meron din siyang passion fruit na sabon. Ito na po is mix. And guys, yan lang po.